guys, it's me, Chris, and today we are gonna play Sims 4. It's gonna be so exciting, and let's start in a new game. So, this is not how I look like, of course. This is not how I look like.
Oops, a boy scooper.
I guess I'll just make myself as.
Ooh, like Barba Boy.
As a grown adult. Because it's like the only thing that's like the only thing that I can be right now. The face got to go. It's really small. I guess that's what this part is. Like black. And I have big eyes. Okay. I think we have to change the nose. That's my nose, I guess. It's really hard to do. It's really hard to imagine how you look like without a mirror. I guess that's me. I want to change my clothes because I just want to. Let's see. I'll have something that's really like. If there's nothing. There's that, or I can be Princess. No thank you. I guess that's only for balls and all this stuff. Let's just get back to our t-shirt that we trust. The t-shirt of hopeness. Where's our t-shirt of hopeness? I can't say it right now. T-shirt of hopeness. Okay, that was like, that's kind of cute. T-shirt of hopeness is really hard to say. You think it's easy, but for me, it's really hard. Okay, so maybe, I guess, like casual looks, okay? The party, no thank you. I wanna do something that like, and that makeup, no. Do I look like that? I don't. I guess I'm not gonna put the makeup because okay, I'll put a little. See, I'm putting makeup. That's not that bad, right? Oh my gosh, I need to change. My arms are too thin. No one has thin arms. Okay. I just look weird. I guess that's okay. That's a little better. Now our backs have to be straight. Oh my! Is that the bow? What is that? What is that? What is that? Did I just see like my bow? Okay, was trying to not
had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing.
Why do I wear makeup? I don't want makeup.
But I got up.
Who wears makeup while they go to the
You
gym?
hear my voice, you hear that sound.
Makeup.
Like
Seriously. First of all, I don't
you
wear
held me
glasses.
down.
And I don't wear makeup to go to
Get
sleep.
ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see
Keep that in
it
mind.
all. I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger. Dancing
That.
through the fire. 'Cause I am the champion. And you're gonna hear me roar.
I want these slippers. These slippers are doing the flippers are doing what? No, not ew. I want the shoes on the table. Okay, that's good. My hat
Now I'm floating like a butterfly.
Okay, that's good.
Singing like a
But I don't-
bee
I don't
out of the
need-
skies.
okay.
I went from
I
zero
don't need one. Do I?
to my own hero. You held me
Do
down,
I?
but I got up. Already brushing off the dust. You hear my
I don't.
voice, you hear that sound.
I better stop
Like
thinking
thunder
about it.
gonna shake the ground.
I need to
You
stop
held me
thinking about
down,
it.
but
I need to
got
stop.
up. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar.
Who wears makeup?
Louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion,
This lady
and you're gonna hear
is so weird.
me roar.
Woo! I'm a part of that. Of course I'm clumsy. Who isn't clumsy? Gaguya yaya. What does that mean? What does gaguya mean? That capital.
I got the eye of the
What?
tiger, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar.
Okay, I'm gonna be like that.
You're gonna hear me roar.
Okay. She looks like a chipmunk. Okay, I guess she looks good for now. So this is Sorrel. She is a friend of the world, cheerful and creative, and this is Lars. He's a friend of the world, cheerful and creative. So we technically have this YouTube group. So let's just get in the world. Let's. Why does she keep doing the same pose? I guess it's okay. Even though Lars is facing the wrong way. Wrong way, Lars. Have to look at the camera. Let's live here. Oh. I wanna live somewhere fun. Oh, wait. We can live somewhere else that is more smarter. Come on. So, I guess we'll live here. Wait, who's gonna cook? Who's gonna cook? Okay, it doesn't matter. I can just cook, right? Right? I'm a chef, right? Right? Oh my god. Okay, anyways. I guess this is the house. Okay, so I don't want a big bed. Sorry, but let's just fix the house for a minute. Like, you know. That gotta go. Maybe a girl and then a boy room. So boys sleep in their own. Whoa, awesome man. Genesis, you're like so smart. Why is... Okay, this is one of the boys' bed. Yeah! Okay, let's put it here. How do we change camera mode? Okay, that's better. So you can move your bed here, and you can move right over here. But if you just like, okay, this is perfect. No. Okay, that's good. So that's where the boys are gonna sleep, and the girls are gonna have a big giant room, because girls rule, right? The old saying. Well, it's not old. It's not old at all. Let's see. Let's get. We have pink for my friend, and I'll get pink bed. What did I just say? Okay, that's good. House already has some room. Perfect. Let's see if they can get friends. If they can be friends. Okay, so that's pretty good. Hold on. I'm just why? They have homework. Do they have homework? I can't open. Oh my gosh, they have homework. I am not gonna watch homework. Watch homework. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna actually cook some. No, let's not cook. We are going to hire someone to do our cooking for us. Someone to do our cooking for us. Let's see if... Oh wait! That looks like a... Aha! I can't get in the house. Oh, she sneezed on the food. Albert, no one can on that food. No, who watches TV right over there? If you're right there, you don't watch it over there. This is so glitchy. Monkey around, quickly. This is so glitchy. Then we'll see if they do some. Actually, let's try to see if they can have a job for now to get more money. So you can just do that, David. Well, we don't have any friends. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I think he would want to be this if that's the only thing. Well, no one wants to be one of these, but no. Sorry, David. I didn't want to give you that job. I gave it to you. So you have ice cream. Oh. That is that. Wait, who's that? Who is that? Alert. I need Genesis to know. Is that close? Wait, why is she look so... She is so rude. So rude. I want you to be inside. You. Okay, that's good. Are we gonna leave someone? I feel so bad for whoever this is. Oh, she's walking like she doesn't care. And she's gonna enter the house. Oh wait, no. Oh no! 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 Do not. Oh my gosh. And already, oh my, oh my. Everyone can have. Let's just make a concert. And then we can, oh, what is that? I'll just do this. Whoa, we can do this thing. Oh, this is so glitchy. I cannot say a lot. The fruit. Okay. What is going on? I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching any keys. I promise. Dude, this is so glitchy. um, um, thank you for watching my video. Bye!